Hey guys, welcome back. It's Candy Apple and I'm so excited to share with you what I've been up to. So I want to show you guys how to grow mushrooms and where to buy mushrooms and how to grow them in your own house. So recently, about a year ago, I became a vegetarian and it was really hard for me because I didn't think I could even be a vegetarian. So once I started watching all these Instagram, TikToks, YouTubes of all these cool chefs and making like vegetables kind of taste like meat, so it's like a really easy transition. So here am I to show you mushrooms. The one thing what made me want to buy my own mushrooms is because it was getting expensive. Mushrooms can get a little pricey. So because of everything and how the world is going, how can we grow our own mushrooms without pesticides or any other chemicals on there? So I went on Amazon and I started to look around at how to get my own mushrooms. I'm from Canada, so this was from a Canadian, but I will put all the links on the bottom to show you. I actually bought 3 different ones, but one of my shiitakes have to do a 24-hour in the fridge, and I'll post another video to show you how to do it. Okay, so this one is called the lion's mane. I personally cannot wait to try this, okay? So we're gonna go step by step on how to get this going. And then we're also going to do pink oyster mushrooms. I have never tried pink oyster mushrooms before, ever. But what intrigued me was because they were pink. All right, so the next step, pause. All right, you guys, so let's start off with the lion's mane. So the lion's mane is pretty awesome, you guys. It comes with instructions. You can see right over here. And then with it it's pretty much a 6-step, and I'm gonna walk you through this, and it's really, really simple, okay? So what you wanna do is, this is how it comes in, just like this. It comes with a bottle I have filled with water already. And it also comes with this plastic bag to become the humidity, okay? So what we do is we kind of just put this on top, but I'm gonna go through everything with you. So here we go. We're going to lift this up. And what they need us to do is pretty much bring it down like a pants. Let's see. Oh, there we go. Open, just like that. Actually, see there? There's a little hole in there for the oxygen. You guys seeing that right there? There we go. And what they're asking us to do is to make about 3 X's. So one here, maybe one here, maybe one here. While we're doing that, we want to pull the plastic away from the substance to make the mushrooms. All right, so what we need to do is put the knife in here like this. You kind of just want to make a little X. And what I'm going to do is come down here like this, you guys. I'm just going to go like this. There's my first X. Then I'm gonna do my second X. And then I'm gonna do one more, probably like down here. Just don't wanna mess this up. Okay, we're good, we're good, we're good. All right, and then one down here like this. Perfect. All right. So we have our 3 X's. Now, the next step, what we need to do is we need to damp a cloth, right? You don't want this in direct sunlight. You don't want heat or AC making it feel really weird. For me, it's going to go in my living room, and I'm going to keep it there because I have, as you can see, a bay window behind me. My kitchen's in there, so I have another room, and it's going to sit in between there. So what I need to do is I'm going to dampen this paper towel here like this, just like this. Just going to do both sides. There we go. You guys seeing that? It's damp. And what we want to do is you're gonna place it on top, just like this. And you also wanna spray where the X's are. Like this. All right, so exactly how we did this with the water, perfect. So we want this where the hole, remember in the back right there? standing up, and we are going to take the bag that it came with, just as humidity, and you want to cover it like this. And boom. So what you're going to do is every single day, you're going to spray the X's, okay? Every single day. Within 7 to 10 days, you're going to see mushrooms. So awesome. Then from there, you're going to cut off your mushrooms, harvest them, put them in your fridge, get ready to cook them, and guess what? Another harvest is going to come. But guess how many more times? 2 to 3 more times. Who knows, you guys, I might go all the way to 4. How awesome is that? All right, so since that we got our lion's mane ready, let's get our pink oysters. I'm pretty amped for this, you guys. All right, you guys, the pink oyster mushrooms. Holy, I'm super excited for this one because I'm gonna have pink mushrooms. Like, how cool is that? This one's a little bit different from the lion's mane, actually. So this is from another company called Nature's Lion. And what they do is they actually have us opening up the front of their box and having the mushrooms grow from their box from their moss stuff right over here. So let me show you how this is gonna work. We're gonna open up here like this first. We're gonna get this ready. Just make sure I do a good job. Just take my time here, you guys, because I really want this to look really good. I'm actually kind of excited. So here we are. Yay, we got it off. All right, I also wanted to tell you guys, this is also another different thing. It did not come with a plastic humidity bag like the lion's mane. It did come with the instructions in a booklet. The instructions on the lion's mane had it on the box, so that was a little bit different. And it did also come with its own mister as well, okay? So what they want us to do is, let's take this off, the plastic here. And they also have that little holy part as well. So you guys can see that here. I'll let that go. Sawdust block for the pink oysters. And what they want us to do, so with the lion's mane, you guys, we had to do about 3 X's. With the pink oysters, it's only 1 X, 2 to 3 inches down the middle. They also want us to be misting this 2 to 3 times a day until we see mushrooms growing. Also, we will also get 2 to 3 harvests from this as well. So this is a really bang for your buck, okay? I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna put all the lists and wherever I got everything from, the links in the description, so you'll be able to see everything. So don't worry if you think I'm talking a little bit fast. I'm gonna put everything in the description so you're able to grow mushrooms in your house and save yourself some money. Super excited. All right, let's get to it. So what we need to do is put an X down the middle. All right, let's see if I got this. So I'm gonna go this way, about 2 to 3 inches. And I'm gonna go this way. And I'm gonna go this way. Oh, I did it. Wow, okay, awesome. And then I'm gonna mist this already. All right, you see me doing that? Perfect. And then we are gonna put this in the box, just like this. How does it look from the front, you guys? Thumbs up, thumbs up. Oh my God, wow. You guys, I'm actually really excited because I've been watching this and I'm like, I can do this. Like, this is so awesome. I'm super excited for this journey of mine. I cannot wait to show you guys how it's gonna turn out. Wait for the next video with the shiitake because I can't wait to show you that. I'm gonna film this for you guys, show you step by step. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Comment anything you want me to grow, anything that you're into, any questions that you have, even becoming a vegetarian or anything about mushrooms. Message me. I am there for you guys. I can't wait to message you guys back. I'm super excited. Wait for my next video. It's going to be amazing.